Alright, let's crack on with some TIG. All I'm really looking at here when I'm welding it is just that puddle. Keeping that puddle under control, making sure it's staying ahead of me as I move forward. It's not creeping back underneath the electrode. You know, and obviously consistent travel speed, consistent dabs, all that good stuff. All right, grab a quick tack while I'm there. And a quick little time lapse of me running through some of the other joints. This is the stand for a motorcycle. Just made it out of some scrap. It's not all the same size, but it kind of works out because it can make some challenging joints to try and weld up. And yeah, TIG welding is really easy, man. Everyone try and make you think that it's hard, but it's really not. If you can colour in, you can weld. Now that doesn't mean that your welds are going to be pretty straight away. It will take some time. All right, now enjoy this last arc shot.